Hello guys, how are you? In this video, we will see the basic structure of any React.js function component. Okay, now I will go to the VS Code editor and we have added, I think, three components in our previous video. Now let's me open the footer component and I will show you what is the basic structure of any React.js function component. So at the top of your React.js component, you have to import all the packages, all the libraries. If I go to another component, app.js, you can see that we have imported an image. We have imported our app.css file, and here we have imported two components. So in the top, you have to import all the packages. If you are using a library, then you have to import in this place. If you are using a CSS file or any JS other files, then you have to import like in this way. Now let's me move again to the footer component. After importing all the necessary packages, then you have to specify the component name. Okay, so you have to give a keyword function, and then you have to type the function name, the component name, and then you have to sorry, control Z. You have to give the parameter, and then you have to define the body of the function component. Inside the function component body, there are basically two most important things. The return statement, and here in this place you have to write your JavaScript code. So in the return, you have basically to return the HTML for this component. Inside this portion, you can write any kind of your HTML code. Okay. So let's me add one another header tag that's like in this way. Okay. So it is we have added let's me correct it and let's me move to the browser. It is test. Okay, now here you can add your complete HTML code, and inside this place you can write your hooks, you can declare your variables, you can call the APIs in the use effect or in any other function. Let's me define here a variable. Let's suppose constant student name is equal to null. Okay, and let's me define here another variable constant. uh, let's me define here a variable of type let, and let's me student. I just want to show you how we can write uh, the JavaScript code inside the function component. Okay, so I write the JavaScript two variables, and now let's suppose I want to write a function, a simple arrow function inside the function component. So please don't confuse yourself with the function component and the normal JavaScript functions. So get uh, student ID, and I will define an arrow function in this place. Let's me return one at the time. Let's suppose it is a student ID for my document. Okay. Know how to use these JavaScript variable and these function inside our HTML. Okay. Now let's me type here, define here a UL. Okay. Li uh, student name is now inside the curly braces. Okay, I can access the student name. Copy, paste, Control C. Okay, and here student age. I will access these variable, and here I will call the function. the JavaScript function. This one, student ID. Okay, and for this I will call this function. Now to call this function, you have again to use the parenthesis, I mean the curly braces, and then copy the function name. Okay. Now let me show you the result. Here the student name will be printed. Here the student age will be printed. And here I will get the student ID from the function. Now let me go to the browser. You can see student name is Noor and student age is 30 and student ID is 6. Okay. So basically, you have to remember just three things about any React.js function component. This place for reporting all your packages, this place for writing the normal JavaScript code, and this return, it's like a function you can say that returning the HTML code inside the JSX. Okay, so these are the basic information about any kind of React.js function component. So it is the end of this video. Thank you for watching the video. In the next video, we will come with a new topic. Thank you.